Wednesday. Happy day after Christmas. It's already evening time. It's been a very chill day. And Darren and I are gonna go get some boba. We're gonna step out of the house finally. Heading to the donut shop. I think Darren's gonna get a donut, but we're also gonna buy a lotto, Mega Million. I don't think anybody won.
Yes, ma'am.
Here.
Mom, do you want anything?
Oh no, no thank you. Alright you guys, we got our lotto. We got cookies and cream boba. What did you get?
Dirty horchata with extra boba.
Darren got pho. I didn't even tell you guys where we are. We're at Bamboo Cafe here in Simi Valley. We got fried chicken with a sauce, and then this is mine. This is what I always get every time we're here. Filet mignon with a side of brown rice. So Darren and I are now at Five Below. We just decided to stop on over here anyway. I had to go to Ulta. Look at this really cute mug. But look, there's a nick right there. And it says lash out. It's so cute. Too bad. I'm gonna have to come back next time and get this. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm so used to saying welcome to Vlogmas, but no, happy Thursday. We're gonna go get some coffee. Today's mug, Hello Kitty Cafe. Inside it says, have a sweet day, with Hello Kitty at the bottom. I'm watching Twilight, going through the whole series. Actually getting ready to film, finally. It's 5:14 right now, so it's really late in the afternoon. I just had a question to ask you guys. Something I've been thinking about in 2019. I really would like to really get into the art of learning how to cook. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not the best chef in the world. Can cook the basics. I mean, basic. I do sometimes, but it's nothing compared to how my husband, my mom, or my dad cook, because they really can cook up really amazing food. I, on the other hand, I'm just like so basic. I'm so basic. But I really would like to learn, and that's something I really wanted to incorporate here on my channel, really be beginner's level. And I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. Cooking for me makes me very vulnerable, and I'm being real with you guys because cooking is not my forte, and I used to cook before. But again, very basic. We can kind of cook together, kind of like a cook with me type of video. Please comment down below. I would love to get your feedback. I just finished filming tomorrow's video, which is going to be a Five Below. We're testing out Five Below gadgets. And now I'm gonna go make Darren some pancit canton, which is basically Asian noodle type of thingy. I honestly just feel like eating soup. Planning to go to Six Flags tomorrow. It's gonna be so windy, I think. The bigger rides close just for safety purposes. So I'm really hoping that the wind dies down. So I'm gonna be editing this evening, and then I think I'm also gonna take down my small little Christmas tree already and kind of get some normalcy in this area. I really wanted to prep it already for the new year. It is kind of messy, and if you guys could only see like in this area, which I'm gonna give you like a quick little sneak peek. I don't know, did you guys see it? One more sneak peek. It is so messy. I really get it cleaned up before I even do anything else. And then I have to work on my vision board so I can print out some pictures and stuff to put on my vision board before the new year. I feel like today was very productive. I went through some emails, got a lot of things squared off. I think it was really good that I took that one-day break. Even though I ended up falling behind with Vlogmas, at least I was able to kind of just mentally take a break from being on my MacBook constantly daily. It was good to just kind of step back away from it. Alright guys, so we made the noodles. These are pancit canton, which are Filipino noodles. This bag right here is actually for Darren to take back with him to North Carolina. So they're instant pancit canton chow mein citrus flavors. So they're basically like kind of like cup of noodles in a way. He's taking home, I think, those cup of noodles too. And he has the chicken cordon bleu with some chicken nuggets. We are gonna go ahead and put away all of the Christmas decorations. If you guys look right over here to the side, we're also gonna put away this Christmas tree. check out the vanity. It's all clean, back to normal. Kind of just fix things up there a bit. But I'm so glad it's all clean. Here's my desk area. Christmas tree is gone. If you guys are wondering, it's another light that's above. So it is 12:54 a.m. and I'm editing tomorrow's video. I know we didn't have tea time 2 days in a row, but tomorrow night we will definitely have tea time. I have got to finish editing this and I want to go to sleep because tomorrow we are heading out to Six Flags Magic Mountain and I'm waking up early so I can edit this vlog. Sorry, honestly guys, I feel so tired. I just want to take off the makeup. Actually, let's take off the lashes. Well, I'm talking to you right now. Relax, and then I need to at least get a good night's rest since I will be driving tomorrow. But I feel so good that I at least cleaned up my vanity area, put away the holiday items. Hope you guys had a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Good night.